Recently I did a snail mail swap with a lady on Instagram. I'll put her name down below. Her name is Louise. I just can't remember off the top of my head what her Instagram name is. But I've got her box today. I came home from work and this was sitting here and I came straight into my room after nothing else and I'm about to open it. So she's wrapped it up really nice in this beautiful I'll cover that. She wrapped it up in some really nice wrapping paper. So let's have a look. I didn't wrap mine up anywhere near as nice as this. Oh, sorry, Louise. Didn't know how it would go in shipping. It's fared a little bit of wear and tear, but apart from that, okay, I'm just gonna rip it. Here's the box. Very exciting, I know. Wow, this is tough. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out as carefully. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. I don't even, oh my gosh, even the paper and this little heart confetti. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I know that a lot of people, you know, but this is my first actual swap ever. So this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Okay, this is the letter, by the way. I'm going to read this quickly before I open anything, but give me a second. Oh, thank you, Louise, if you watch this video. I hope you like what I sent you, and this was so much fun. I'd love to do another swap with you. Just if we'll talk about it. But this is her name. It is crafts_snailmail298. Yeah, but I'm gonna start looking. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. I'm so excited. All right, let's start here. This sequins mix. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I don't even want to open it and use it. It's that pretty. Gosh, I don't know how you people do these regularly and actually use anything that you get. By the way, I'm going to keep all this confetti. It's so pretty. I want to use this in a scrapbook layout now. Oh, I have so many ideas. I don't even know what to do. Okay, and it's got this really awesome yarn on it. This yarn, it's not really showing up on camera at all, but it has like flecks of like glitter through it. But this sequins mix is stunning. Where did you get this from? You need to tell me. Did you make it? I don't know. It's so pretty. Okay. There is this trim. Wow, I don't even know where to open it. Far out. I sound so Australian, sorry. Far out. Okay, but this is what it looks like. I can't see where the end is, but it looks like just really cute pom-poms with some glitter in it. I've never seen anything like this before. It's a craft ribbon. She lives in England. She made these stunning. Oh my gosh, let me get something to rest this on here. Stunning rosettes. These are amazing. I can't make anything like this. Is this a die? I don't know. I don't even know. Can you see, guys? These are amazing. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my god, these are so pretty. I could stare at these for ages, and I love the colors. Like, as some of you may know if you watch my videos regularly, green is a really hard color for me, but this green is beautiful. It's like a nice emerald green. And also, I don't even want to open it, but I'm going to be really careful because I want to keep this to take like 1,000 photos for. It's on some like butterfly acetate. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I want to cry. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Is that a die too? If it is, tell me. I want it. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. Thank you, Louise. Okay. So she's made these like yarn bows. This is actually what is on the top of this. So I'm excited because I love this yarn color. This is like such a beautiful color. I've got these and oh, look at it. Oh, I'm just trying to be very gentle. This is so pretty. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, so I just got this really, really cute topping on the bag, and it says, I want you to know how amazing you are. I want you to know how amazing you are. This is so pretty. And then just wrapped up in some really nice tissue paper. I'm going to be very gentle with this tissue paper because I've never seen tissue paper like this before. You don't find stuff like this here in Australia, and I want to reuse it because that's who I am. I reuse stuff. Let me know in the comments if you guys have done a swap with someone before. After this, I want to do 1,000 swaps. I'm still doing my Advent one. Okay. Alright. Oh my god. This is falling out a little bit, but I'll fix it. Very gentle. Oh. It's together. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a pocket letter. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. That was a genius way to wrap it up though. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's look at this. Look at it. Oh, it's like a beautiful rose, and she's made this really cute. I'm going to take this off. A second. Oh, I can't make anything like this. This is so pretty. Oh, the clip's fallen off. Give me a second. Oh, my Lord. Oh my lordy lord. Look at that. She's got some trims on here. This is really cool. Where do you get this from? It's like foamy material, like a faux leather heart. Oh my gosh, and that's so cute. Look at that. Is that a yarn? I think it's a yarn. But that rose. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, she's got that sequins mix here that I'm going to keep, obviously. I'm going to guess you have a fuse tool because that's fused. Where do I start? Okay, let's start up here. So this is using the Heritage Collection, as you can see, and I'm going to guess maybe, if I'm careful, I can pull that up. Is this a dye? I don't even know. I don't even know. This is so pretty. Look at it. Oh, this is going in my... This is going to go on my album, by the way. This is going straight into my 2019 album. This is staying like this forever. This is staying like this. This is going in my album. I'll probably... I'm not going to show you the letter, but I'll probably put my letter in my album as well next to each other. Okay, so I had to cut my... reaction out because my audio is really bad, so I'm going to do a voiceover, but wow, I still have no words. This is like an hour afterwards and I still don't even know what to say. I love this so much. It's so beautiful. So here I am about to flip it over because in the back of this pocket there is a whole bunch of gifts, and look at it. The first thing I saw was the doilies, and I don't know if she cut these out with a die or I have no idea, but they're amazing. I'm assuming she did because I think they're using papers from the Heritage Collection, but if not, please tell me. I want to buy them. They are so cool and I cannot wait to use these. Oh, these are just amazing. So there's these dies that she's popped, there's these doilies that she's popped in the back of it here, and then in the top corner there is some die cuts. I believe that she
cut these out, but I could be wrong. Just of some silhouettes, very heritage-esque. So I really love those. And then there's some wax seals as well. They were really cool. I haven't got anything like that. They're actually made out of rubber, funnily enough. In the top corner here, they're like little sticky notes and they say to do on them. So they're going to be cool. I'll probably pop those in my planner. What else is there? So here is the wax seals. Like I said, they're kind of like a rubbery texture, which is really cool. And I believe these were with the Heritage Collection. I don't think she made them. I could be wrong. Please tell me if I'm wrong. But I think they're from the Heritage Collection. There's got a bow, a butterfly, just some really beautiful ones. And the gold is so pretty. There I am pointing to some rhinestones that she sent me that are in this really nice like antique gold. There's these paper tassels. And I still don't know if she's made them or if she's bought them. If she did make them, wow, you're amazing, because these are so cool. I think she made them because of the packaging, but I could be wrong. Please let me know if you know, but they were so pretty. I can't wait to use those. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to use this stuff because it's just so pretty. I don't want to take it apart. I want to keep it together forever. I loved it all so much. These are some little deer heads, little deer head die cuts. They're really, really cool. They're going to be awesome to try and use up. I think I'll make some DIY embellishments with those. I think they'll look fantastic. So there's some gold metallic, pink metallic, purple metallic, green, all beautiful colours that coordinate with the Heritage Collection wonderfully. So I just grabbed out a few of the die cuts that were also in there, and here is a trim that she gave me. This trim is amazing. It's so pretty. I think there's about a meter that she's gave me, and it's amazing gold color. I can't wait to use this. This is really nice and large, and I have one that's kind of similar to this, but it's very, very tiny. The one I bought, I'm about to show you guys. I've just gone to go grab it. I have this trim that I got off of eBay. Look at the size difference. It's so cool. These are going to be amazing for scrapbooking layouts. Thank you. I love this. I'm so excited. These doilies though. These are so cool. Love these. Yeah. I'm gonna gently try and pry that off. Thank you so much. I loved this these sequins too. This was amazing. This is gonna go into my scrapbooking album. I'll go grab it right now actually. Okay. Here is my 2019 album. And we'll just flip to the back of it. As you can see, there's a few layouts that you would have seen. Here we go. This is where I'm up to. So I'm going to pop that off. And this is going straight in my album. This is going to get kept forever. This was amazing. Thank you so much. I've loved this little pocket spread. So thank you for all the amazing goodies that you sent me. I hope you love what I've sent you in your box, and I hope that you want to do this again with me. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Go give her a follow. She is amazing. Okay, thanks for watching everybody.